Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products on the market today. If you're in the market for a reliable, high-quality whiteboard, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to be talking about the WALGLASS magnetic whiteboard, a true game-changer in the world of whiteboards. It's not just a whiteboard, it's the best whiteboard tablet you can get your hands on. This board offers a double-sided design, which means you get twice the writing surface to work with. Whether you're jotting down notes, creating a to-do list, or brainstorming with a team, this board allows you to utilize both sides for maximum efficiency. Plus, it's magnetic, so you can easily stick notes, pictures, or reminders to the board without using tape or pins, keeping your workspace neat and organized. What makes the WALGLASS whiteboard stand out from the competition is its durable and lightweight construction. The aluminum frame gives it a sleek, modern look while ensuring the board remains sturdy. It's incredibly portable too, weighing just a little over 6 pounds, so you can move it around or mount it on any wall without hassle. The board comes with movable hanging hooks, giving you the flexibility to hang it horizontally or vertically, depending on your space and needs. When it comes to the writing experience, this whiteboard does not disappoint. Its smooth, scratch-resistant surface makes writing and erasing easy, and the included magnetic eraser makes cleanup a breeze. You won't have to worry about ghosting or stains, which is a common issue with other whiteboards. The markers glide effortlessly on the surface, and when you're done, a quick wipe leaves it completely clean, ready for your next task. The WALGLASS whiteboard isn't just practical, it's versatile too. Whether you need it for a home office, classroom, kitchen, or even a business setting, this whiteboard adapts to your needs. It comes with a full set of accessories, including 4 colored dry erase markers, 6 magnets, a movable tray, and a dry eraser. These extras make it perfect for anyone looking to organize and present ideas in a visually engaging way. In terms of its size, the 36 inches by 24 inches model offers plenty of space without being too large or unwieldy, making it ideal for most spaces. It's large enough for writing, yet compact enough to fit in smaller rooms. Whether you're working from home, teaching in a classroom, or running a business, this whiteboard will meet your needs. To top it all off, WALGLASS offers excellent customer service, ensuring any questions or concerns are addressed within 24 hours. This commitment to customer satisfaction makes owning this whiteboard a stress-free experience. So if you're in the market for a whiteboard that combines functionality, durability, and ease of use, the WALGLASS magnetic whiteboard is a clear choice. It's the best whiteboard tablet you can invest in today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.